Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, only my friends watch my videos. Anyways, today I'm gonna do a challenge. It's like the Bratz challenge. You probably have seen it. I'm gonna try to make myself look like Bratz. It's dull. I loved praying. I don't really pray. I liked playing with Bratz when I was little, so this challenge is so much fun. And I'm gonna try and make myself look like this doll, if I can put in a picture right here. I don't have anything like latex or something. She was wearing like a very cute dress with like fishnet sleeves or something. I just had a black of shoulder top, and that's gonna have to work. It looks like she has like a cat crease with like some purple, if I'm not colorblind, shadow in the middle, and then she just has like brown shadow around it. It's pretty natural, but then she has this very bold winged eyeliner that I'm gonna try to make. She has a lot of highlighter, which I love, and pretty natural lips, of course, very overlined and big. That was my, blown up lips. I don't know if you can see, but her makeup, like, it's not very blended. Look at that like brown eyeshadow. So I don't know, should I blend mine? Like, I'm not the best at blending, but I feel like it will look like shit if I don't, so I probably should. I'm just gonna try and make this makeup look. It was a long time since I did makeup, so yeah, this will be fun. Should I turn on my like fairy lights in the background? Will that be cute? I'm gonna do that. You even see it. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, that's cute. Perfect. I'm just gonna start with the Nivea Aftershave Balm thing. Is this still a thing? Like, I don't watch makeup tutorials anymore, so like, do people still use this as a base for your makeup? Is this still good, or do people use actual makeup nowadays? Okay, so now that my whole face smells like a man, I'm gonna move over to foundation. So for concealer, I'm actually taking a foundation stick that is pretty good. I think people doing their base makeup is like the most boring thing ever to watch. This is just so boring. Why do people like I like to do it sometimes, like right now, but how do people like to watch this? Like, do you like to watch this? If I would be you, I would just skip until I would do my eye makeup. Probably not the best thing to say, but honestly, I'm gonna think this is the most boring part to edit also. I'm gonna try and make it quick for you guys. And for myself. I don't want to suffer. I'm just gonna take a bronzer. This is the NYC Smooth Bronzer. Because I feel like she has like a bronzed face, so and also I want to look a bit more tanned. To really contour, I have this NYX. This is actually a blush, a high definition blush in taupe. Do you say taupe? 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 I don't know how you would say that. And I have this little elf brush, and this is gonna be interesting. I'm not very good at it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I'm not very good at doing eyebrows, so see you when I have eyebrows. Now when I have my face done, I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna take a Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. This is the Too Faced one, and just put it all over my eyelids basically. Then I'm just setting the primer with this light eyeshadow. I'm gonna start by taking this color, and then I might move to these like darker ones. By the way, this is the Makeup Revolution palette in reloaded something. I love it. Which color did I say I was gonna take? Well, while I'm doing this, I mean, because I don't know what to talk about, I can talk about my history with Bratz. I don't remember when I got my first Bratz doll, but I probably was like 5 or something. I didn't obviously know what brat meant, so yeah, I wanted to be a brat. And here I am, like, how many years is it later? Yeah, my math skills. I remember once my dad and I went to the toy store and he was like, you can pick like any doll you want, which was my dream. And I picked, like, Bratz had these like tiny dolls, like not the baby Bratz, but they had Bratz, but they were like this size. And I remember I chose one of those. I was probably 6 years old. I do not know why I remember that. That is just a good memory. Oh, does this look good? Okay, so this is what I have right now. Yeah, it's gonna have to be like good enough. This is not really like a makeup tutorial. This is more like you watching me trying to do makeup. I'm gonna highlight under my brows before I do the eyeliner. Her eyeliner, don't know if you saw that, but it's huge. So let's try and do that. Do you see? This eyeliner is really big. It looks great. This eyeliner also looks great, but do they look the same? Oh, hell no. This one goes like woo. This one goes a bit more woo. They go in different directions. Like, that's not what eyeliners are supposed to do. Well, I am too lazy to fix it. She also has her eyeliner going all the way underneath her eye. I've never done that. But I'm gonna have to do it for the sake of this video. Okay, I think this is the best I can do. But seriously, do you guys think that my eyes look lighter when I made them darker underneath? Because I do so. Anyway, I'm gonna take a bit of mascara, and then I'm gonna take some false lashes. Okay, so my eyelashes are on now, and now I'm gonna highlight some in the inner corner with the same purple highlighter. And then I'm going to also take it on my cheekbones. So for the lips, I'm going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cannes, and also just a lip pencil from Kiko. So I'm just gonna first overdraw my lips with another lip pencil that is kind of natural. Okay, so my camera died and I don't know what I filmed last, but I noticed that she has this like little spots underneath her eye. I don't know what those things are called, and I'm thinking about if I should do that. I think I'm gonna do that. pretty good. Okay, so obviously the doll's hair is like down to her feet, and I just cut my hair. I filmed that, so if you want to see that video, you can watch it up here. And I don't have as long hair as her, but I'm gonna still try and make the same hairstyle that she has. She has some kind of like Ariana Grande style going on, so I'm gonna try and make that. Okay, I think this hairstyle is the best I can do. Anyway, my doll says, don't theorize, accessorize. So, she has a choker. I'm obviously also gonna wear a choker. And then she has some kind of hoops in, so I'm just also gonna take hoops. I kind of look like I come from the 50s right now. And my doll didn't look like she came from the 50s. Do I look like my doll now? Don't theorize, accessorize. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and it maybe didn't come out super good. I mean, I'm not really James Charles, but it was fun to look like a Bratz doll, I guess. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe I'll do another video in the future. You never know with me. Bye! Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to, because I might do another video, and like this video if you thought this was fun.